So it has been a while since we did our last video. Last time, if you recall, I said that I was going to try and dry this place out and see how well it did. And we found that both sides obviously struggled with the heat, although Biochar still put out about 600% more than our just fertilizer alone. Not that there was much growth in the Biochar, but it was still 600% more. So we decided to go back with water because I found, you know, those dandelions that are like not dandelions, but they're massive and the size of a grapefruit. Well, I've got those in the yard and I've been wanting to get rid of them, and I found that Biochar has done that. It made it healthy enough. I don't have hardly any on this side where the Biochar is, but on this side, I was seeing them come back with vengeance. So decided to turn that water back on and try to choke them out, and it seems to be helping. It went basically 2 weeks of no water, and then I've been watering for the last 2 weeks. So we're kind of back in the game here, getting lush again. We're gonna do another weigh-in and see. Pretty comparable. I wasn't getting full coverage with the sprinkler, unfortunately. I'm going to go and get a different one and see if I can't get the whole area, but I was watering equal between the two sides. So let's go ahead and weigh in and see where we come out. Bucket is 1.66. $9.34. $5.78. That's not quite twice the weight. Wow, 4 pounds heavier in the Biochar side than the fertilizer alone side. It didn't look that big of a difference, but numbers don't lie. That's the overall volume of material that came off of it. As you can see on this side, this is the non-Biochar side. We're getting a lot of these little gaps here where it's not filling in, where you just got little dirt patches, little bald patches. It's just not healthy. Here in the Biochar, it's thick, it's all connected. There's not those bald spots or those patches. It's just a nice, even, thick growth right across. Obviously, we tried to kill it by not watering it for 2 weeks. And then after just a little bit more water, it regained beautifully. So that's real encouraging to see the recovery after 2 weeks of no watering. It came right back to the way I had it. I keep thinking that maybe there's something skewed a little bit different, something's getting more water or whatnot, but I put it right in the middle. It works on both sides. Time, weather, everything. It's pretty much a flat location, and yeah, almost double growth in the Biochar side. So, ladies and gentlemen, I guess I could make this up, but I wouldn't. It's working, plain and simple. Biochar simply doubles your grass production. And health and thickness and growth. So if that's what you're looking for, if you hate mowing, well, maybe this isn't for you. But if you love a nice, lush, green, beautiful lawn, apply Biochar and some fertilizer and keep watering it, and you will not be disappointed. And what we've seen here is even a reduction in water still produces up to 600% more than if you did not have the Biochar. So if you're leaving on vacation or your water system is intermittent at best, apply some Biochar because it will level out your mistakes and still put out a good lawn for you. So try Biochar, it's no joke.